Hello, hello, hello. Greetings. It's your girl Lady T in the house today. How you guys doing on today? On this blessed Monday. Hope everybody is well. Hope everybody had a blessed and prosperous day today. I know I did. So hey, your girl is getting ready to cook it up. I'm getting ready to. I got some butter in the skillet here. I'm getting ready to. Um, do some sweet potatoes. Some people call them sweet potatoes. Some people call them yams. I know growing up, we used to call them sweet potatoes. So whatever you want to call them, if you want to call them sweet potatoes or yams, that's cool. That's what I'm finna fix. And I'm finna deep fry some chicken wings. Let this start to melt. And I'm finna get ready to put these in a pot. I've already washed my hands, so I'm finna get ready. Put these yams, these sweet potatoes in this skillet, which ain't gonna take long. Once you put the top and stuff on it, and I'm gonna add the stuff in it that needs to be added in it. And put the top on it. I'm gonna wash these wings real good. And boy, we gonna be in the house. Okay, now, finna get ready and put my nutmeg on here, yams. I love sweet potatoes. I like them better than white potatoes. And then I'm gonna put my sugar, some white sugar in it. I do not put brown sugar in my sweet potatoes. I just don't. I'm not gonna put brown sugar and white sugar. Now that's just me. Everybody cook different. So, and sometimes I add a little. Let me show y'all. It just give it flavor. I keep dropping this thing every time I pick it up. Hold on, let me rinse this off. I always like to, I dropped it so I had to rinse it off. Add a little pure vanilla flavor in on the sweet potatoes. That's close to when they getting done, but that's just another option you can use if you want to. You don't have to. Some people do, some people don't. I'm adding my sugar in here. As you know, once you put the top on it and the potatoes start to cook, the steam is what really cooks them. So, you know. Okay, that's enough. I put 3 scoops of sugar in there. What is the top for that? I think the top of it, I got to rinse it off. And I got the grease over here cooking. I think I'm going to take that out for a minute because that grease done got real hot. It's been on for a minute because I had to cut the potatoes up. So I wash these dishes. I'm finna rinse them off right quick so I can get this top out for them potatoes. Just gonna take a minute rinsing these dishes off. I've already washed them, just rinse them off now so they can wash the drain off of them. Y'all know I like to keep everything clean. That's just Lady T. That's just how I am. Be cleaning and wiping stuff down all day long. Spraying Lysol and stuff. Okay. Now, putting the top on that. Let that cook. I'm finna get ready. Cut the tips off these chicken wings and get ready. Season them and get ready to put them in the deep fryer. Just a minute. Y'all said, dog, Lady T sure making up a lot of noise. Trying to get this stuff over there so the dishes start to drain out before I put them up. Hope you guys had a good day today. I did. Every day God wake me up, it's a blessing. I'm always giving Thanksgiving. Because we already know somebody didn't wake up today, right? So we need to be thankful at all times. Okay. Now I'm finna get ready to cut the tips off these chicken wings. And, these are the same wings that I bought about 2 weeks ago from my friend girl that was selling chicken wings. That's them. So I'm finna put me a glove on so this stuff won't be out of my nails and stuff. Okay. Get ready. Do these right quick. Put my strainer there. I need my strainer. I just washed it out. So I need it. But yeah, these is going to start cooking here in a minute. It won't take them long. Okay. Almost hard for me to put these gloves on, my hand wet. I may not be able to get them on. Should have dried my hands off before trying to put them on. It's hard to put them on when your hand's wet. But I'm going to try to get these jokers on. And I got these nails on too. I think it'll work. Got my strainer. Cut these tips off. Where the knife at? On my knife, I'm gonna cut these tips off right quick. I wish I would have already did this. I could have saved some time, but I was trying to do. I be multitasking, doing 2 and 3 things at a time. So this what I really should have been doing, getting these here off these tips off these chicken wings. Damn. That's what I should have been doing. Yep, that's what I should have been doing. You know washing the chicken real good as I take the tips off. Some people cook it. I used to cook mine with the tips on, but I'm taking them off now because it saves a lot of time when you take some tips off. The chicken can cook much faster. I want to make me some, I don't know if I'm going to do it or not, but I want to do me some batter with the milk and eggs and stuff and dip it in there and then put it in the flour and cook it, but I don't know. Because I didn't have this ready, I don't know if I'm going to do it. I might just put it, season it up real good and put it in the flour and cook it. Do it next time. I don't know, it just depends. But I should have done already did this. It's taking up time right here. And I always wash my chicken with some kind of vinegar or lemon juice or lemon or something to make sure I get all this scum and stuff off my meat. Yeah. These wings got a lot of feathers on the tip. I'm glad they right there on the tip and not on the rest of the chicken. So when I cut the tip off, then the feathers will be out too. So they sure done pull them feathers off this joker. I'll show it to you in a minute because I'm washing them. And then I got to finish taking the tips off. So y'all just bear with me. I always be trying to prep, meaning having some stuff like this already done, but I did it. Oh, let's check this. Oh, I wish I would have already done this. Time consuming. I'll be through in a minute, y'all. Next time out, I'm going to have this already done. I'm trying to do it with these gloves on. These gloves are slick. That's another thing that's taking me so long. If I ain't have these gloves on, I could go and do it. But anyway, I hope y'all had a good day today. 'Cause I did. I had a blessed day today. As as usual. Okay, I'm almost through because I put 20 wings in each bag, so it's 20 chicken wings, so that's one reason. I think I got about 5 more to cut off and I'll be done. Two more and I'll be done, y'all. Ooh, this will won't me out. One more and I'll be done. Ooh, this is the last one. Thank you, Jesus. Last one. All right, take these gloves off. Put this thing back in here so this grease can start back in hot again because I had undid it. Okay, let me check the potatoes. Y'all see them potatoes cooking. They ain't gonna take them long to cook. They already. These were some pretty potatoes too. I got them in Save a Lot. Let me put it down some. Now I'm gonna put a little of the vanilla flavor in here. Just a little bit. Here we go. Now I can put the top back on here. Okay. Okay, now. Now the wings are washed up real good. All I gotta do is season them up. There go the wings. Pretty wings. The wings pretty. I'm showing to you. Look at the wings. Look how pretty they are. So, okay. And I need a pan to put my wings in. Find a pan. Put the wings in. Need a pan. Give me a pan to put the wings in. Oh, I got one. Okay. Now. Put some flour in here. too. Let me cut that all the way down. Okay. Flour in the bag so I can batter it up and get ready to fry. I know y'all was watching Super Bowl last night, wasn't you? I don't be into the games like that, but I know a lot of people watched it. I had people that invite me to the Super Bowl, but I ain't go. I don't be into stuff like that. That ain't my style. But I know a lot of people was watching Super Bowl. So what team y'all was for? Who y'all was for? And what y'all were doing? What y'all have y'all Super Bowl? A lot of people had all kinds of food. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Lock these wings off so I can season them up. These feathers off here. I thought most of the feathers was on there. What's the name? But I see it's all on the chicken, so I gotta get that off there. Okay. So I'm gonna cook about. Trying to see how many I'm gonna cook at a time. How many is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. I think I'm gonna cook about 7 starting off. Let me get this pan so I can see when I'm jumping. Okay. I'm gonna wash my hand. I'm gonna show y'all in a minute. Hold on. I'm putting them in this pan so I can season them up. I'm gonna make some chicken wings too, but today I'm doing the let me wash my hands. Okay, let me move the camera over here. Yeah, them potatoes, they really almost done. Told you don't take them long. They probably ain't been in there 10 minutes. Okay, here go the wings. And now I'm finna season them up. So I'm gonna use the chicken seasoning. Of course, y'all know my complete seasoning. Y'all already know. Onion powder. Oh, I gotta get the garlic powder too. Garlic powder. Here you go. Garlic powder. Turn the other side over. Okay. And I'm finna do this side. Let me wash my hand back off again so I have this stuff all over my bottle. Okay, got another paper towel. I'm finna season this side up. I wanna make sure that grease is good and hot. I'm gonna give it another 5 minutes. Some more garlic powder. I see another chicken seasoning. Onion powder. And complete seasoning. Oh, the potatoes so pretty. Now, I'm gonna put it in here and shake it up. Shake, 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 shake. Shake your pans. Shake, 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 shake. I bet y'all didn't know y'all girl back in 1980. Well, I was one of the best skaters. Me and my friends, we used to skate at this place where we stay now. Used to call Skate World. It's not there anymore. Man, I used to skate my little butt off. I won a couple of trophies in skating. I don't know why. I found them a couple times and misplaced them again. I don't know where they at. I can't find them since we moved in the house. Man, those was the good days. Ain't had them that fun like that no more. Okay, I'm gonna give it a couple of more minutes and I'm gonna put it over in the grease. Should I cut my porch lights on? It's getting dark. Okay. Okay, I done bared it up. I'm gonna put it over here in this grease and let it fry. I think I'm putting I think it's 7 I'm putting in here. 4. 4. 5. 6. Yep, it's 7. I want y'all to see me put it down in this grease. Hang on, all this over here. See it? See it? Cooking. Cooking. Okay. Oh. cooking. It's cooking. It's cooking. It's cooking. I cut these potatoes off. They are ready. So it'll take them 10 minutes to cook. And what I'm gonna do when that chicken there is done, I'm gonna end the video. I'm gonna make the plate and I'll fix the rest of it. All right, let me check this chicken. Not really turn over this. Not really turn over this. Okay, let's check it so it's ready to turn over. Just waiting on the chicken to get done, y'all. Okay. About another 5 minutes. don't know why it took this chicken so long to cook. It shouldn't took them wings that long to cook. Okay. Getting ready to take them out, guys. I can put some more in here. Okay. That's the first batch of wings that I just took out to deep fry. So I'm gonna put another batch in here right quick. And then I'm gonna end this video. Season these up and put these in here. Then I'm gonna make me a plate. And I'm gonna end this video. All right, I'm gonna wash my hands with this plate right quick. Okay. 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 My chicken wings and my yams. I'm finna taste them. No, it's good. It's gonna be good. Oh yeah, that's good. Piece of chicken. That's good. Good. Yeah. Oh, Well, y'all, I'm going to end this video. You guys have a blessed day. Spread the word. Tell them about your girl, Lady T. Tell them to subscribe to my page. Subscribe, like, watch videos. I truly appreciate it. It's your girl, Lady T. I'm out. God bless you. I love you. Talk to you later.